Take a ride in the 2016 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, lumbar support, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.